They still available, fresh out the bathtub. Giving out Christmas deals. Anybody interested to find out what those are, hit me up. I want $5K a piece for them. But with the Christmas deal, you go down a lot. And I got another litter coming, so they might make the Christmas deal too. But yeah, dark chocolate and light chocolate, American tricolor pocket bullies, mom and dad on site, both ready to go, both UKC papered, both purple ribbon. The mom is purple ribbon. Both got killer bloodline. Contact me for information about that. I can run it down to you. They beautiful, ain't they?